Hi everyone, this is DIY Manual, and for today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the Avid Power oscillating tool, and we're going to put some of its function to test. So let's go ahead and get started. It's packaged nicely. See this? This is actually shrink wrapped, and this is the bag. Okay, let me go put this thing aside. It has a nice carry case, carry bag, and go open it up. See what inside. So this is the Avid Power tool. This is a 3.5 amp and 4.5 degree oscillating tool. And if you look here, it have a tool-free blade change. So this thing also have a 15,000 to 22,000 oscillation per minute. And if you look here in the back, you're going to see that there is a 6-speed adjustment. So from 1 is 15,000 and to the 6 is 22,000 oscillation per minute. See, it also comes with a side handle, so you can actually put it on this side or on the other side, so depending if you're left-handed or right-handed. Very good. So I like that option. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on left. It comes with a manual and a warranty card. Go put this aside. You have the sanding pad, and you have 5 sanding paper. So you have a P240, P150, P120, P80, and a P60. It also comes with a semi-circle blade. So I'm going to put this there. And you get the scraper blade. And you got a plunge saw blade and a wood and plastic blade. So I'm not sure which one is the plunge blade here and the wood and plastic blade here, but one is wider and one is narrower. So let's go ahead and try to see how to fit this attachment into the oscillating tools. So make sure your oscillating tool is unplugged every time you make changes. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to take this out so it's not on the way. Let's open this. Oh, okay, good. So as you can see right here, it has like some teeth right there, and when you close this thing, it basically close this as well. So this is what holds your tool. So you want to open this. Okay, I'll give it a try. And fit it. Okay. And then close it. Nice. So basically very sturdy. It doesn't move anymore. Okay. Go ahead, take it out. So take it out, make sure you push them all the way to the front and then pull this out. So the same thing with the other tools, and this as well. So they're all the same. Let me go try to fit the sandpaper. So the sandpaper have some type of Velcro, so you just go like this and it'll stick in there. See that? So it's very good. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to put this right over here. Okay, make sure it fits properly and close it. There you go. Okay, so I just plug it in. Now let's give it a try. So here's the on off switch. You can just or push it up. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this thing to use now. I'm going to be putting in a door threshold, and I need to make a cut to the door jump. So let me go get the things that I need, and let's make our first cut in our door jump. That was quick. Okay, just take that part out. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and try the sander. So just put this thing in. This is the 260p, and you can see right here, there's a lot of writing here. This is an old bed frame, and I wanted to stain this thing. So let's go ahead and do it. Nice. So let me just do a quick cut on this, see if it will actually cut this. Right there. It's very good.